Mema obia akwababa na Cake Tech YouTube channel yi so. Ene yeba behye course foforo ase. Course ni din ye C++. Programming language. Ti yeba behwe how a obetimi atwerɛ program ana obetimi atwerɛ code ɛwɔ C++ programming language ni mu. Course we will be all about programming in Twi. Nti yebe use local language ni more. Sɛ na be ya obia bete course we ase. Nti this is what this video is about. This is just the introduction. I will upload subsequent videos that will go much details into C++ and we start writing some code. So this is just an introduction video. Alright. So what are we going to talk about in this video? But yɛde bɛhyehyɛ mu kakra. Nti ade a video bɛka ho asɛm ɛne C++ ɛyɛ daade. Ade nti na also use C++. Na language bi nso wɔ hɔ a yɛfrɛ no C ɛne C++ no difference bɛn na ɛwɔ mu. Afei yɛbɛkasa about text editors nso. Afei next video a yɛbɛyɛ no yɛbɛka ho asɛm. Alright, so me a mede course yi ɛma wo no. So that's a small introduction about me. Yeah, my name is Naki. I'm into the IT world. I have experience in cloud computing, cybersecurity, web development, and other stuffs. Yeah, I'm also a recognized contributor of Wikipedia. Yeah, I normally edit Wikipedia in my free times. And also I have a background in systems and network engineering, and also volunteer at Coding Ladies as an instructor, network and security instructor over there. My social media links and I will down on Facebook, X, formerly known as Twitter, GitHub, and Instagram. So you also follow me, you can check me out on these platforms. Okay. So you can C++ it's a programming language. Nti languages are computer neti ase. Ubetimi de atwerɛ instructions. And I ubetimi akache computer ne say onye way. But computer no onte normal English and Twi na ye kan computer no onte ase. Nti our language a computer no so te ase. And ye form programming language. Programming language ne boa ma computer ne timi use ne ones and zeros no or use the year adwuma yi. Yeah. Nti C++ ɛka programming languages ɛwɔ hɔ no. Nye ɔno nko a yɛwɔ Python wɔ hɔ, yɛwɔ Ruby wɔ hɔ, yɛwɔ C ankasa wɔ hɔ, yɛwɔ C# wɔ hɔ, yɛwɔ PHP. Programming languages ne dɔɔso. But course we ne mu deɛ we only talk about C++. Nti ubetimi de C++ create computer games. Normal console games too, you can use C++ to do it. We look at all this abla course in the corner. Afi C++ by as an extension of C. C language na ɛwɔ dada no. Ɛno ne build up and an extension ya ɛwɔ more features any C++ no. Na obi a ɔyɛ saa C++ ne Bijani Strostrup. On the C++ programming language ne baye ɛwɔ 1979. No a Danish computer scientist. Yeah. On the chose C++ program. Afi if you saw normal major revisions, only different versions about C++ 11, 17, 20 and other ones. C++ on same kakra. Afi in also we use C++. First of all, it's a popular programming language. Nti obia used to be agidin wo baby major companies use C++. Nti also on social say we use and say be ya unya akunya all these companies ube how their programs works and other stuffs. I think so it is compatible with today's operating systems, Windows, Mac OS and other operating Linux and other stuffs. C++ yɛ adwuma wɔ saa operating system wei ni ara so. Afei nso ɛtumi ma wo graphical user interface, that's user friendly, a ɛbɛboa ma wobɛhu nneɛma ɛno so yie. Afei is object oriented programming language. Nti yɛka sɛ programming language bi yɛ object oriented, it means sɛ wotwerɛ code na it can be reused on different platforms. Can be the code no bɛtumi ayɛ adwuma wɔ different areas. Afei nso wode firi one platform so akɔ different platform a ɛyɛ very easy, right? Ɛbɛyɛ adwuma wɔ different platforms. Ɛmfa sɛ bi a wotwerɛ Windows so no, wode kɔ Apple so a it will work over there. Afei nso it's kind of fun and easy to learn. C++ yɛ language bi a wosua a ɛnyɛ den koraa sɛ wobɛte aseɛ. Nti bere a yɛbɛstart no, we look at all these things. Afei sɛ wosua C++ nso na wopɛ sɛ wokɔsua Python anaa wopɛ sɛ wokɔsua PHP a ɛyɛ easy to understand. Nti ɛyɛ paa sɛ course wei yɛhyɛ aseɛ wɔ C++. Okay, now yɛde ka aka sɛ C++ na wɔyɛ as an extension of the C language, right? Nti wo compare two na they have the same syntax. Syntax na akɔyɛ sɛ mmara bi a ɛma computer ne ho sɛ this a language or this code ni atwerɛ wɔ C++ mu. Nti it's like a set of rules that help the computer to understand say this language is in C++ or this language is in Python. Nti how a wobɛyɛ structure wo code no, that's the syntax. Nti C++ or how was structure the code, C or how was structure the code, but C na C++ ni almost structure no ɛyɛ the same. One thing a C++ wɔ a C any be classes and objects. We talk about these things later in the course. Okay, now before I wobɛtwerɛ any programming language no, wohia platform anaa wohia notebook bi a wobɛtwerɛ language no wɔ, right? Nti we have normal text editors ɛna yɛwɔ IDEs. Yɛka sɛ text editor, Notepad is a text editor, Sublime Text, Notepad++, wɔn yɛ text editors. Although wɔn boa ma yɛtwerɛ nneɛma. Nso sɛ wode compare IDE a, IDE ne wɔ extra features te sɛ ɛbɛma wo color code and other stuff. Nti te sɛ yɛfɛ biribi variable ɛwɔ C++ mu, yɛbɛka ho asɛm. Wotwerɛ variable ɛso color de bɛma wo, ɛna wo declare class nso a ɛso color de bɛma. Ɛno boa ma code no wote aseɛ yɛ easy to read. So we say color ways for variables, color ways for assignment, color ways for this. Easy to read the code and understand. So that's it about text editors. And here stands for compiler and interpreter. C++ is a compiler language. It uses the GCC to run its code. But if a programming language which is a Python and an interpreter, it reads the code line by line, right? But because a compiler there, it compile all the code and run it at the same time, right? So if say there's an error somewhere, you need to fix that error before the computer can compile the code or run it. But interpreter reads line by line. The line error also no. So line in a do Rebecca. So this is all about a little introduction about C++. I will show you how you can do installation. IDE na yɛbɛ use ɛde ayɛ course no yɛfrɛ no dev++. Open so a wobɛtwe code blocks ne nyinaa yɛ adwuma fine. To make sure how we install dev++ no. Then we start with the syntax. So this is the end of today's video. Then after you install every now our next video we will talk about the syntax. We will call syntax into details, the structure. What's the first thing that you will do before you write a C++ code? In your then we write our first code or we write our first program, right? Make sure say subscribe when you like the video. So next video you will also see that video. So let me show you how you can install the dev++.